Hi everyone, welcome to this quick guide on how you can successfully complete your task during this internship. And whether you are just starting or need a little bit of help figuring things out, we'll walk you through the process step by step in this video. So, the first step is to understand what's expected of you. You have been assigned tasks based on your domain, like AI, data science, or Java development, and for each task there would be a document, and there would be all the details would be mentioned in that. So read the description carefully, and if it's unclear, you can reach us out, and we'll try to help you. One more thing is, the LinkedIn task is mandatory, all right, and it's mandatory for all the domains. It doesn't matter if you come from graphic design background or machine learning, any background, all right. And make sure you have the tools and environment ready to work on your task, all right. Let's say, for example, if you are in web development background, and you choose web development internship. So for that, you need to set up your IDE or some online platforms for coding like Code Sandbox or Vercel. And for Java developers, ensure your JDK is installed and ready. So basically, organize your workspace to minimize distractions, and focus on one task at a time. All right. And yeah, and after that, I would like to tell you that please, like, don't feel overwhelmed and break your task into smaller steps. Don't try to complete everything at a time. All right. Try to do one task at a time and break it into smaller steps. Like, if you are building a project, you start with setting up the structure, then work on one feature or one module at a time, and after that, test your work, or as you go, ensure that you are on the right track. All right. And please keep a record of what you are doing. All right. And this could help you when we share the form of submission. This would help you out. All right. So keep a track record of what you are actually doing, like the notes about your process errors, and the solutions, some screenshots of the work, and some short video of your project working. All right. And yeah, how can you submit your work is basically a question which I got from some of the interns. So basically, we'll be sharing a internship submission form on 5 to 6 February, and in that you would be putting your like GitHub links, and LinkedIn links, something like that. So all of the things would be mentioned in the submission form. Don't worry about that. Right now, focus on completing the task which we have shared. All right. And some of you were asking like how many tasks you should complete. All right. So for that, completing one task makes you eligible for the certificate of completion, and completing three or more than three tasks, excluding LinkedIn task, qualifies you for a letter of recommendation. But I would like to tell you that aim to do as many as you can. More tasks mean more learning, and more knowledge, and more recognition. All right. And lastly, don't take too much stress about this. The purpose of these tasks is to help you learn and grow. Right. Take it one step at a time, and reach out to us if you need any help. I mean, if you are getting an error, if you are facing any issue, you can reach us out, and we'll try to help you as soon as possible. All right. And we are here to help you, and we are here to guide you, right. I'll just give a quick overview about the uh, task we have given you. So let's say this is for Python programming internship. uh, Here we have mentioned that the minimum requirements to be eligible for an internship completion certificate. The first one would be LinkedIn profile improvement, which is a mandatory task. It doesn't matter which background you come from. It means you need to complete the task of LinkedIn profile improvement. After that, you need to complete at least one task from your internship domain to be eligible for the certificate of completion, and you are encouraged to complete at least three or more than three tasks to be eligible for the LOR. All right. All right. So, then the task one is LinkedIn profile improvement, which is basically a mandatory task. What you need to do is all the things are mentioned here, like the objective education project. So you should mention all the details uh, about what you have done in your LinkedIn profile. Expand your network. It means basically connect to different professionals, dive in diverse range of professionals, including your friends, seniors, or industry leaders. All right. So the connections should be between 1 to 200, sorry, 1 to 2K. It means 1 to 2000, 1000 to 2000. Like at least you should have 1000 connections. So when you are looking for job, these connections will help you out in future. And after that, join and connect with CodeSpace community. So you should connect with your fellows, connect with the people who are working with you, and your colleagues and all that. Right? Uh, and follow the company LinkedIn page, and look, all the details are mentioned here. You should just read it out. And then the fourth step would be optimize your profile for job searches. Like update your profile photo. The profile photo should be professional. Craft a headline, and your about section, your feature section, recommendations, then custom URL. So custom URL is basically when you open your profile in desktop, you could see that here it is mentioned public profile and URL. So when you click on this, you would be getting a page where you can basically write your public profile URL. So public profile URL is this. So you can see this Muhammad Talib. So when you write it out, this would be look like this. So when you create a new profile, the URL would be like this. Um, your name and then some extra characters or something like this. So you need to edit it out. All right. Yeah. From here you can edit the link. Right. Try to like write your name only here. All right. After that, here we have task 2. In task 2, you need to complete at least one task to be eligible for the certificate of completion, and at least 3 for the LOR. All right. And here we have actually mentioned what exactly you need to do, all right, to complete this automation script task. All right. And when you successfully completed the task, you need to host your code on GitHub, and you need to record a video of your output. All right. And post something on LinkedIn containing the GitHub link, the GitHub repository link, and the video which you have recorded. All right. And when we share the submission link, you need to input that LinkedIn link, which contains both the video and the GitHub repository link. So these are the tasks. Everything is mentioned. Let's say for machine learning pipeline, create a machine learning pipeline that includes data preprocessing, model training, and evaluation. Then automate the workflow for seamless integration. And how you can do that: collect and preprocess the data, train and evaluate, automate the workflow using Python scripts, and document the pipeline. All right. So that's all from my side. And if you got any issue, you can just ping me, and I'll will try to uh, solve your issue as soon as possible. All right. All right. So now let's get started and make the most of this particular internship. All right, guys.